Hello everyone, this is Purushottam G and my batchmates are Vignesh R and Surya Prakash T. We are studying Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication at Veltech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Shakuntala Engineering College. We are guided by Mr. M.R. Bibin, Assistant Professor of Electronics and Communication Department. We have done our project on railway passenger health monitoring using wireless sensor network. In this project, we are used temperature sensor to monitor the passenger's health before boarding the train. In recent years, we have witnessed the emergence of various embedded computing platforms that integrate processing, storage, wireless networking, and sensors. Embedded computing platforms used for healthcare applications range from smartphone to specialized wireless sensing platforms. The first to emerge were portable medical sensors for individual use. Such sensors enable individuals to continuously measure physiological parameters while engaged in routine life activities. Here, we insist the use of one smart health card cum ticketing card for faster and safe contactless checkout. Even existing Chennai Metro railway card can also be used. We propose to use RFID technology for the same. The system analyzes the passenger's temperature, oxygen saturation, and heart rate. It records this data against the ID in the smart card in the cloud. If his or her temperature and other sensor data are found to be normal, then barricades will open and let the passenger in. The main objectives of this project is to design and develop an wireless health monitoring using wireless sensor and networks. To monitor heart rate, pulse rate, temperature using a microcontroller and controlled in a database application. The authors Amitabh Ghosh and Bhaskar Krishnamachari has written a paper in 2017 on energy efficient deployment strategies in structural health monitoring using wireless sensor network. In existing system, there are some system which having some difficulties like compact sensor and sensing the temperature in the atmosphere while monitoring the passenger's temperature. The main disadvantage is that the passenger database is not secured by the system. The drawbacks are the patient can't able to understand the analog signals and it difficult to operate. Here what we proposed is a system is proposed for health monitoring of railway passengers using wireless sensor networks. In this system, we are using microcontroller such as Node MCU and Atmega 328 to get the inputs from sensors that detects temperature and pressure. By sensing the temperature, a command is carried out to the servo motor by the microcontroller Atmega 328 using embedded C coding to travel the passenger in or out. The advantages are by identifying abnormal person, the system decreases the spread of virus and makes the environment clean. The main impact of a disease is direct contact. Our system has no more third party, so self-monitoring is the efficient manner. In this system, rise time may be severe concern in crowded places like these railway stations. So using this system, we can control the time management at very low cost.
This is a functional block diagram. Our system has been separated into two parts. One is identity management system and another is sensory acquisition system. The passenger's database has been stored in cloud computing system by using Wi-Fi technology. The hardware components are ESP8266 not MCU microcontroller, MAX 3001 which is oxygen saturation sensor, MLX 90614 which is infrared digital temperature sensor, proximity sensor, RFID tag, RFID antenna, SG90 servo motor, barricade system and Atmega 328P microcontroller. The software systems are Embedded C and MPLAB. Implementation. Recent technological advances in sensors low power integrated circuits and wireless communications have enabled the design of low cost, miniature, lightweight, and intelligent physiological sensor nodes. By using MAX 30001 and MLX 90614 sensors, we could be able to monitor the passenger's temperature, heartbeat before boarding to the train. ESP8266 NOD MCU microcontroller. NOD MCU is an open source firmware for which open source prototyping board designs are available. The name NOD MCU means combines NOD and MCU, refers to the firmware rather than the associated development kits. The NOD MCU, which is a main microcontroller, controls the RFID and identity management system. Atmega 328P. Atmega 328P is a high performance, low power controller from Microchip. Atmega 328P is an 8-bit microcontroller based on AVR RISC architecture. It is the most popular of all AVR controllers as it is used in Arduino boards. Sensors. A sensor is a device that responds to any change in physical phenomena or environmental variables like heat, pressure, humidity, movement, etc. The main characteristics of sensors are high sensitivity, linearity, high resolution, less noise and disturbance. MAX 3001. The MAX 3001, which is an oxygen saturation sensor, is a complete biopotential and bioimpedance analog front-end solution for wearable applications. It is used to monitor the passenger's temperature, providing ECG waveforms, heart rate, and pacemaker edge detection. MLX 90614. The MLX 90614 is a contactless infrared digital temperature sensor that can be used to measure the temperature of a particular object ranging from minus 70 degrees Celsius to 382.2 degrees Celsius. The sensor uses infrared rays to measure the temperature of the object without any physical contact and communicates to the microcontroller using the I2C protocol. Proximity sensor. A proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby object without any physical contact. Proximity sensors can have a high reliability and long functional life because of the absence of mechanical parts and lack of physical contact. RFID. Radio frequency identification is a technology whereby digital data encoded in RFID tags or smart labels are captured by a reader radio waves. RFID system consists of three components: an RFID tag or smart label, an RFID reader, and an antenna. RFID tags contain an integrated circuit and an antenna which are used to transmit data to the RFID reader. We are going to see the working of the system. The circuits are separated due to technical complexity because RFID and infrared temperature sensor cannot be worked at a same time. And then if a person taps RFID and the system detects the temperature, since there is a logic that the system will detect the atmospheric temperature automatically. So we are using proximity sensor. This proximity sensor reduces the false reading by using the LED light when we just wave our hand. The upgradability of our system is that we are using I2C bus consists of SCL, SDA, VIN and Vout. It is used to detect the blood pressure and ECG monitoring. This is the barricade system connected to a servo motor and the commands were given from not MCU microcontroller, and the embedded codes are saved in Atmega 328 microcontroller. This is the RFID tag or smart RFID card will be given to all the passengers. First, there is a barricade system and a circuit setup with LED display like this. Now, the passenger taps the RFID card in the RFID receiver, then the passenger's name and a command like place your thumb will be displayed on the LED. Then the passenger should wave his hand to the proximity sensor and the passenger's temperature is monitored. If the temperature is normal, then the barricade will open and get sanitized. Result. This is the snapshot of our hardware kit. Output. This is the screenshot of web application of passenger database in railway management system. This is the screenshot of mobile application of the passenger dashboard of health monitoring system.
Now let's see the applications. Wireless systems are designed to provide anytime anywhere services, enabling data entry and data access by medical personnel at the point of care. ESP8266EXS Node MCU used in home automation system, industrial wireless control, IP camera, wireless networks and etc. MAX 30001 mainly used in bioauthentication and ECG on-demand applications, impedance-based heartbeat rate detections. The MLX 90614 sensor, which detects human body temperature measurement and set a threshold value for safety precautions. Here we conclude that the presented method provided the possibility of use by the user and not only by the specialist, also offered speed and accuracy of the results as well as the highest availability with the user on ongoing basis at few cost. During this pandemic, the reason of spreading virus is direct contact. Our system prevent the issues. Let's see the future works. From the perspective of future work, we intend to develop the conducted system to encompass two directions. The first one is to improve the proposed system to measure heart rate, temperature, oxygen in the blood and breathing. The second one is to enhance the application that performs tracking to the patient physiological parameter by a doctor via sending alarm or notification. Thanks for watching.